We are at 25 Augusta, the St Felix Center. We are currently constructing a 31-room residential project, and we're also using the modular type of construction. So modular construction has several advantages. One is done in a factory. So it's efficient, it's lean construction at its best. You can minimize wastage as well as you can work in the harshest winter conditions. As a result of the modular construction, we can now do this project in less than 12 months, normally 2 years.
This type of construction makes sense because of the efficiencies that you see on site. So we don't have to worry about staging areas. We don't have to worry about multiple trades working over top of each other at one time just to get us up to the roof. We go from what you see as a foundation to a finished building within 4 days. So that's the main attraction.
So we're going to install 2 of the modules, and on Monday, we can install 16 every day going forward. In a week's time, the building will be completed. As a matter of fact, we will begin installation of the roof in 2.5 weeks.
So we have, as you can see, base plates loaded throughout the construction to ensure that we are meeting within the tolerances that are required for the modules. So the foundations come and then the actual modules get loaded onto these base plates.
I'm extremely happy. The hoisting was successful and the modules have been installed. It aligned perfectly, so everything went well. Next week, we'll have 5 additional persons on site, and within a week, the building will be standing.